they're successful. It's a very good defensive team. They can't allow that many points and give up that many points. Parakapol, on the other hand, their defense very good. When you look at the turnovers forced today,
Samantala, sa tapikan ng bola doon. Will McDonald getting it. Was hit by Mick Pinisi. But Mick was thrown the ball by Will McDonald. But the reaction was a bit late.
medyo nahuli lang.
Ito, makikita natin sa slow-mo. Nagkatama sa braso. Uy, delayed reaction.
Hindi. Pero tinatawag na masama lang yung signal. Nahuli lang.
Oo.
And the people here in the Coliseum, napanood nila yung replay. Pati sila Tingnan natin. Kumbaga huli lang ang sound.
Oo. Hindi, that's adrenaline. Parang pag may
Tuwa-tuwa yung mga tao
Pag may adrenaline rush ka, hindi mo masyadong napapansin yung mga sakit Nung bumaba na yung adrenaline, saka bumaba. O sa kanya naramdaman yung tama ng bola sa kanyang noo.
Ito yun, ganito lang yun uminit ang ulo ni Will McDonald. It's something that we were slowly expecting here. Ito na, nagbanggaan. Tumama! Ay, tumama pala! Tumama!
Even